everyone, my name is Monica Herrera. I'm a TESOL student at Arizona State University through Coursera. In today's class, we are going to learn how to use would rather versus would prefer. And in this lesson, unfortunately, I don't have students, although I'm going to pretend they are here in my classroom. So I'm going to pretend that they are actively participating in class activities, and this is the first part of the grammar instruction. So let's get started. Hello everyone, please take a seat and we are going to start the class. Okay, are you ready? Great. Are you ready, Mohammed and Karen? Sure. So in today's class, we are going to discuss choices and preferences. So I'm going to share my dashboard here. Remember guys that you can see the dashboard on the projector as well, in case that you are taking the class here in the classroom, or if you're online, you can use our live transmission. The first thing that we are going to learn is how to identify would rather and yes, very good, and would prefer. Okay, what other things are we going to do? We are going to play a random wheel. Random wheel. Do you know what a random wheel is? No idea? Okay, this is a really interesting game. Okay, this is a game that we are going to play by the end of this class. Okay, and also you're going to make sentences using different situations with would rather or would prefer. Very good. So are you guys ready? We're going to talk about the differences between would rather and who can remember? What is the other? Very good. Would prefer. Do you guys know what is this? Remember that in our previous activity, we found certain usage of these words when they were talking about the college major they will prefer taking or they would rather take. Great. So here, I want you to take a look at these two sentences. Do you think they mean the same or what they are for? Yes, I know that they are used for describing preferences, and that's great. I'm going to write another example here on the dashboard, and I want you guys to tell me if you can notice a difference. Okay, let's change the color. I would rather drink orange juice in the mornings. Okay, can you read this sentence? I would rather drink orange juice in the mornings. Very good. But what if I use I will prefer? Do you think it will change? Let's make the same sentence but using would prefer. Okay. I would prefer to drink orange juice in the mornings. Okay, what can you see here? I want you guys to tell me what the differences that you can notice in these two sentences. Do you think these two sentences mean the same? Yes, they do. They share the same idea, the same main idea when you're going to talk about preferences or choices. So, the first structure that we can notice here is that we use subject, would rather, and a verb here, right? If we take a look at the other option, we use a subject, would prefer, but we use the infinitive form of the verb, which means that we are going to use what? To. That's good. Very good. So now that we have this introduction, we are going to discuss the objectives for by the end of this lesson. So means the same, right? The structure is a little bit different, but the meaning is the same thing. We have to take a look also how to use prefer, only the word prefer. So we are going to learn that part. Are you guys ready? Very good. So let's say that we are going to talk about um, when we are going to talk about preferences between two things. So I'm going to choose another color here. I prefer mm, coffee to soda. This is true. I prefer coffee to soda. Can you make one example, Mohammed? Okay. Um, Mohammed prefers rock music to classical music. Is that what you said? Oh, sorry, you said jazz music. Very good. Okay, and now your turn, Karen. Try to make a sentence choosing between two things. Okay, Karen prefers soda to water. Really, Karen? Do you prefer soda to water? That is not healthy. You should reconsider that one if you don't want to end up having too much sugar in your system. Okay, who's ready to play the random wheel? Okay, let's spin it. Karen, will you prefer your kids to play music or be good at math? Oh, fantastic. You will prefer your kids to be good at math because you can apply it in practical ways. Okay, very good. Thanks for your answer, Karen. And now we are going to try to do it with Mohammed. Are you ready, Mohammed? Now, would you rather sit in the garden rather than work? Wow, yes, that is a good one. I know, I would rather sit in the garden rather than work, to be honest. This one is for Karen. This is a really good one, especially knowing that Karen is a really hard worker and she studies a lot. So Karen, would you rather study hard rather than fail a test? Very good. You will prefer to study hard? Very good. And I like it that you used I will prefer this time. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoy it. And if you have any question, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than glad to help you out. I hope that this lesson was informative and also fun to watch. Thank you for watching.